Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be checking out another piece of gear. This is another product from Imalent. They were happy to send this in and have us take a look at this on the channel. This is going to be their LD70 EDC mini flashlight. It has a total output of 4,000 lumens. We've got the black one. They have several different colors. They've got golden, blue, and green. And this little thing is a powerhouse for the size. You are not going to believe how much power will come out of this tiny little light. You're going to love it. I really like this light. So some features on our back here just says we got 4,000 lumens maximum. We've got 15 hours of total runtime with a beam distance of a maximum 203 meters. We've got 10,350 candela or beam intensity. See here, it's 1.5 meter impact resistance with a total of IPX8 water resist. So let's go ahead and show you guys what's in this box. So one cool thing about Imalent is they're always they're innovative, man, on some of the stuff that they're putting out, and how much power that can come out of these. So here we go. We got some literature. They're calling it the powerful keychain. The Imalent Ld70 is an ultra compact EDC rechargeable flashlight with outstanding performance. And yeah, it does have outstanding performance. And that's it. Look at the size of that. Very nice display box, by the way. So here's the light. We'll get into that in a minute. And then underneath we've got magnetic charging cable. So very nice. What else do we have in here? We have a lanyard. And that is it. So let's show you the goods. Look at this. Look how tiny. I like the machine quality on this. Very smooth, no sharp edges, nothing. There's our LED. It has a built-in battery. Here's your charging port. So basically, you just take this guy and you smack it on there and charge away. And a very strong magnet too, so it will not come off. Got your lanyard hole there, either side. Here's your power button. Very flush, as you can see. And one thing we've been learning about Imalent, or some of us already know, that is an LED screen. You can't even tell. See? So overall, you could easily put this in your coin pocket of your pants and not even know it's there. But let's get into this. So it's just a one on, one off. And you start out at 20 lumens. And then at 3.7 volts tells you your voltage and what you're running at. Now this is kind of a kind of a floody light, which I really like floody lights. So we're at 20, and then we're just going to hold it down. You're at 200 lumens. And now you're at 900 lumens. And we're at 2,000 lumens now. And then we're going to double click for turbo. And there you are. I wasn't able to show the full the full 4000 because I've been messing around with this, and we'll give you some more beam shots outside on this, and you're gonna get the full 4000. But very cool light. So let's go ahead and let's take this guy outside and see what it can do. Alright, you guys, so we are at the local park. Took the Fiat 500e today, and we're going to take a look at that Imalent Ld70 mini EDC. And you guys are going to see how this thing is so amazing, and it can pump out 4,000 lumens out of this tiny little light. This is crazy. So let me turn off the light, and let me get some shots here. So right now we've got 20 lumens. That's really nice about that. Probably can't see that, but that display is really nice. So then we're going to hold it down. That's 200. That's up to 900. Look at that. That's a really nice spread too. And then this is 2000 lumens. And then we're going to double click for turbo. 4,000 lumens, guys. Look at the amount of light coming out of this little flashlight. Just massively insane. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And it looks like it's starting to rain again. Perfect timing to do this. So 20 lumens is actually pretty good. It's not bad at all, especially in a survival situation where you want to keep your battery usage as low as possible, but still have a good light amount of light anyway. So that's 200 right there. That is 900, which is, I mean, it's pretty dang good. Actually, all the settings on this light are pretty good, and that's the 2000 again. Look at the 4,000. Watch this. We'll just immediately go to turbo. 4,000. It's a little mini spotlight. I mean, this thing's crazy. It's getting a little warm, but it's not stepping down. So, which is very cool. Constant current. So, all right, you guys. Well, let's take this back to the workbench and finish out the review. All right, you guys. We're back inside. What'd you think of those beam shots? This little sucker rips. Very impressive. A very impressive light indeed. And so that's going to be it for this video. If you want to pick one of these up, Imalent has provided me with some links. They will be in the description for you guys to go nab one of these. I'm telling you, it's worth it. You will not be disappointed. So thank you to Imalent for sending us into the channel. And that's going to do it, guys. So until next time, y'all have a good one.